welcome to McEowen. We're going to talk about the math problem of the week. I'm here with Zach Austin, 5th grader, Evan Filer, 4th grader. Go ahead, Evan, wave with the camera if you want to, and Amy Tracy. She's a 4th grader also. And we're going to look at the problem from this week. And it says, McEowen's AR point goal for the year is 34,000 points. We have from September through May to make this goal. There was 2 questions. If there are 17 classrooms, about how many points does each class need to get? And the second question was about how many points does the school need to get each month? Alright guys, before I ask you about this, when I talked to Mrs. Corder and Mrs. Baxter, they said a lot of kids didn't answer both questions. So if you can do the math problem of the month, make sure we answer both questions. Let's look at the first one. If there are 17 classrooms, about how many points does each class need to get? Zach, what did you do to solve this problem? Nice and loud.
Okay.
Paper down.
First, I divided 34,000. Okay, I divided 34,000 by 17 and got 2,000.
Okay, you got 2,000. What did you do, Amy?
I did the exact same thing as him. I got 34,000 divided by 17 and got 2,000.
All right, and I think, Ab, didn't you use a different strategy kind of solve it?
I actually started 34,000 divided by 17, like 4,000. I thought that 4,000 would be that answer. But then I dropped the zeros and did 17 times 3 equals the answer, but it was a little bit over 34, so I tried 17 times 2, which equals exactly 34, so I got 2,000.
And then you added your zeros back in on it. That's a skill that 4th grade has been working on. I think 5th grade has too, multiplying by tens, hundreds, and 1,000. So way to use that skill in class. Nice job. All right, so that answers the first one. We need about 2,000 points each class does to get to our goal for AR. Now the second one, about how many points does a school need to get each month? Amy, what did you do on that one?
Well, I rounded 34,000 to 30,000 and 9 to 10, and 30,000 divided by 10 is 3,000.
So she thinks we need about 3,000 points each month. All right, Zach, what did you do on that one?
Okay, I divided 34,000 by the 9 months of school, and then I rounded it up to 4,000 AR points.
Okay, so Amy thinks it's 3,000. Zach thinks it rounds to 4,000, which are very close numbers. Evan, what did you do there?
Well, since I knew from the last problem that I couldn't go over 4, or I'd go over 34,000, I started with 3,000 times 9 months of school, which equals 27,000, so it wasn't enough, and then I tried 3,500 times 9. It was 31,500, so it still wasn't enough. Then I went up to 3,600 times 9, but it still wasn't enough, so I tried 3,700 times 9, and it was less than 1,000
away
to go up to, it was less than 1,000 away.
So
I rounded 37,000 up to 4,000.
All right, so Evan thinks about 37,000. Again, Amy thought 3, Zach thought 4,000, and then Evan was right in between those. And Amy, if we used your example, 3,000 times 9, not to put you on the spot, but what would that equal?
27,000.
27,000. I don't think we'd get to 34,000 points. And Zach, if we used 4,000 times 9, what would we get?
36,000.
36,000, so we'd be a little bit over, so that makes sense, Evan, that you're 37,000 rounding there. So all the answers are close, because it does say, how did we know, first of all, guys, that this was an estimation problem?
It said about how many points.
Yeah, it says about how many, and so a lot of people came up with an exact answer too, and it's an estimation answer here. So 3,000 would work, 4,000 would work, and your estimation of 3,700 would work also. So very nice work this week. Guys and gals, we hope you do the problem of the week next week, and we'll tape that one also.